Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel, Easy Spreadsheets. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do it now, so that you don't miss my important videos on Excel fundamentals. Any questions on Excel basics to advanced, you can reach out to me on my mail ID spreadsheetbymadhu@gmail.com or comment in the video to include it in my upcoming Excel sessions. I know you are viewing my videos but not subscribing. Appreciate if you could just click on the subscribe button as a support to my channel. In this video I am going to take you through an important setting of Excel, that is how to enable or disable macros in an Excel file. Without enabling the macros, you will not be able to use any kind of macros. So, why late? Let's start the topic. To enable a macro, first open a blank spreadsheet. Ensure you do not have any other spreadsheet open in the background. Now click on File as shown in the video. Then click on Options, then navigate to Trust Center tab and finally click on Trust Center Settings on the right hand side of the pop-up. Under this you will see multiple options. Navigate to the Macro Settings tab, then enable all three options as shown in my video. Now click on the OK button 2 times. This will enable all the macros that you will use from now onwards. Now close the workbook and other spreadsheets. This will enable Microsoft Excel to apply the settings across your Excel files. Hope this video is useful for you, as this will help you use macro or VBA enabled files to ease your life. Thank you so much for your support and keep watching my channel.